Hello guys, so how are you all? And this is Ilyas again from Acumen Academy with a new tutorial of CorelDRAW. So guys, today I will tell you about the subtools of Blend tool. So let's get started. So guys, the subtools are Contour, Distort, Drop Shadow, Envelop, Extrude and Transparency. So guys, the first tool is Contour tool. So guys, with the help of Contour tool, you can create as many duplicates as you want in an object. And like this. As you can see. And this gives a 3D effect. You can fill color also in this. So you can use this tool for creating logos. As you can see, it gives 3D effect, and you can use it in any tool. Or object. You just have to slide this slider according to your need. As much you will slide in, the more duplicates will be formed. So guys, this is the use of Contour tool. The next tool is Distort tool. So guys, by using Distort tool, you can create any specific shape you want. You just have to click and drag in different directions to form the shape, as you can see. And with this you can rearrange the shape like its center and height, width. As you can see. So you can use this tool to create explosion effects or flowers, etc. So guys, the next tool is Drop Shadow tool. So guys, by using Drop Shadow tool, you can create a shadow of any object you want. You just have to click on the object and move it where you need the shadow, as you can see. And by this you can set the opacity and feathers of the shadow, so it will give you a 3D look. So for creating shadows, Drop Shadow is a very good tool. guys, the next tool is Envelop tool. So guys, by using Envelop tool you can change the shape of the object by just simply clicking and dragging, as you can see, and you can use this on text too. Like this. So you can give an amazing effect to the text with the help of this tool, as you can see. So it will also help you in creating logos, visiting cards and banners, posters, etc. So guys, the next tool is the Extrude Tool. So with the help of Extrude Tool you can add the 3D effect or look in your object. You just have to select and drag it, and you can see the outlines. You have to place it where you want the object to look 3D from, like this. So now you can see that from a simple box we've created a 3D box, and you can resize it also, so it helps in getting a 3D look. Like this. You can create cylinders or cubes, cuboids, etc. And the last tool is the transparency tool. So guys, with the help of transparency tool you can play with the opacity of the object, and from here in the upper panel you can select which type of transparency you want, like linear or radial or conical, square, two color patterns, full color pattern. And from here you can set the amount of opacity of the object. And from here you can apply the blending filters. So by this you can give light effects, as you can see, or you can give a gradient effect by using the linear one. You can use this in visiting cards, so it will give a linear or gradient effect which will look good in the background, as you can see. So guys, that's it for today's video. Please like, comment, share and subscribe our channel, and don't forget to press the bell icon. Thank you.